Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create zoom effect for your openings in a vlog video and in CapCut PC. So here you can just start by adding your videos like this, and then what you need to do next is just head to the animations menu at the top right, and under the in category find the zoom in option. So you can just between zoom in or zoom to. The zoom in zoom 1 is zoom out effect, but zoom 2 is a zoom in. So I'm going to add the zoom 2. Here you can adjust the durations. I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds, and next you can head to audio and add the sound effect. So here I'm going to add this whoosh sound effect. So let's try to hear it first. We just find it again. So there are lots of whoosh audio effects that you can set. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can click on the plus icon, and here you can trim it how you like it. Let's hear it, the result. Okay, I think that's it. Result, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.